Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up risk parameters in the OEC Trader Platform. To do this, head up to the top left-hand corner of your window and select the Trading tab, and then navigate your way down to the Risk Monitor tab. Make sure you read through this disclaimer. Once you have, click the I agree button, and you will be brought to the Risk Monitor window. Once under the Risk Monitor window, head over to the Account field and choose the account you'd like to trade with. I personally am not trading with foreign exchange, so I'll choose a normal demo account. And once you selected the account you'd like to trade with, select the monitoring checkbox to enable your risk parameters. So now that you've enabled monitoring, you can actually set the parameters to your liking. So as you can see, I currently have it in intervals, and I can choose it by date or by time, or a specific day and time for that matter, or I can leave it as always on. Now, once we've established the times of our parameters, we can choose the conditions in which they operate under. So as you can see, we have many different options here, but I'll be choosing total profits and losses. And for my parameter, I'll choose less than. And for my condition, I'll choose negative $250. What this essentially is saying is once I reach a negative $250 balance, I'll be alerted with some type of action, and you can actually choose what type of action you'd like to select. So I currently have it on alert only, but I can choose liquidation only, which for demo purposes essentially means I cannot put any more funds into my account. I can only remove funds, and I have the option to exit at market price. And if you actually click on alert only, you can customize the type of alert you'd like to receive, whether that be email or just a sound or both. And once you're finished setting up your parameters, simply click add. And as you can see, it's been added to the risk monitoring. Then click apply and then hit OK. It's important to note that my risk parameters were not suggestions and were only mere demo purposes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content related to the futures market.